Hi everyone, I am Amanda. I am from HKU Business School and I am majored in Master of Science in Marketing. My background is from Purdue University and majored in Hospitality and Tourism Management. My hometown is from Shenzhen, so I used to visit Hong Kong a lot as a kid, but it is a totally different vibe to live here in your 20s on your own. As a foodie, I really enjoy exploring the city and looking for new restaurants to try. I enjoy that Hong Kong is a multicultural city, which you can enjoy practically every cuisine on the planet, which is truly a blessing for a food lover like me. Well, if you prefer to have a more private space, I strongly recommend you to live alone. I stayed in a service apartment in a small studio. They provide a weekly cleaning service, which saved me a lot of time and energy. I also enjoy that it has a small kitchen area, which I can cook if I wanted to. My favorite course from the program is Big Data Consumer Analytics taught by Dr. Tuan Fan. This is quite a challenging course since it moves at a rapid speed and has a lot of material to cover. But the instructor's teaching style is really engaging, and he has such a great personality and a unique sense of humor that draws you in. I definitely learned a lot at the end of this course. I chose the afternoon session for this class, which is from 2 to 5. Each lecture is 3 hours long and packed with information, so it can be a little bit difficult to keep up at times. My solution is to try to participate in class as much as possible and not to hesitate to ask questions if you have any confusion. I think the program is more on the technical side, which we learn on the basic framework of marketing in class, but it is more crucial that we know how to apply what we learn in class to the actual business world, since marketing is such a profession that is constantly changing and evolving on a daily basis. Here I have 5 key points for the upcoming offer holders of the program. The first point is to try to learn Cantonese while you're here in Hong Kong. Even though you can communicate with people in English or Mandarin, but it's definitely always fun to try to learn a new language. The second point is to network as much as possible. The third one is know about the resource HKU is offered and utilize them. The first one is to attend as much as workshop as possible as you can. The second one is use their career services. My advice to future applicants is that first, keep a decent GPA, and then attempt to do several internships to figure out what industry you wanted to get into so that you can be more target-oriented during your 1-year postgraduate experiences.